Good evening and welcome to Sundays with Neelu. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you for all your responses on last week's story. My prayers and best wishes to all who are watching Sundays with Neelu. So coming to this week's story. So this week's story's title is The Wise Man of Gotham. So that's a small village. Yeah, Gotham is a small village in England. So what happened once upon a time in this small village, there was a bridge by the water and two men were standing on the bridge and arguing. So what were they arguing? What were these wise men arguing about? So two of them were arguing about sheep. So one of them said that I'm going to the market to buy sheep, yeah, from Nottinghamshire. So the other man said that no, you can't get sheep onto this bridge. This bridge is very small. And when the sheep they cross in a herd, it is going to cause problem to the people who are crossing this bridge. So like this, the other man said, why? It's my money. I will go. I will buy the sheep. And what's your problem? So the other man said that no, I'm a responsible citizen of this place. So I'm going to not allow you to do this. Like this, they both started arguing. And they kept on arguing. And they went to the extent of pulling each other's hair. So right at that time, there was a man who was crossing that place, a passerby. So he was on a cart and, he was carrying some rubble and, some stuff in his cart, and there was a bag of grain. So he said that excuse me, gentlemen, what are you arguing about? You seem to be very upset with each other. So they both didn't bother to answer and they kept arguing even in a more heated fashion. So then he said that no, I need to stop them. I need to stop their argument. So he said that look gentlemen, I need a small help. Why don't you help me empty this cart? So they looked at him and they said, okay, fine. So they helped him remove a sack from the cart. And the sack was full of grains. Yeah. So that sack, he said that, okay, you help me put it down, but now I need your help to empty it. So he said, they both said, fine. So the three of them held that and they emptied it into the water. All the grains in the sack fell down into the water. So that man, the passerby, asked both this wise men, so what do you think is there in the sack now? They said, nothing, it is empty. So he said, what fell down? He said, the grains, they fell down and there's nothing left here. So where are the sheep? He asked. Both of them looked at each other and they realized they were fighting over the sheep which are not there. Yeah, there was nothing there. They were planning to go to the market, one of them, and buy some sheep. So the passerby was the wise one. So they both stopped arguing and they went away from there. So sometimes arguments are very silly. Most of the times they're silly. So we argue to win and we make it an egocentric affair and we start fighting. So while reading this story, I said, yes, most arguments are silly. It's better to keep quiet at that point in time rather than continue the argument. So while reading this story, I remembered when I was a child, I was 5-6 years old. I lived in a small village where my dad was posted. He was a banker and he was posted there. And in that particular village, early in the morning when I got up, I saw that I opened the door and I saw that there was a lot of noise. And two groups were fighting. They were pulling each other's hair and they were beating each other with sticks. And one boy started bleeding. They must be 16, 17 years old, college students. So, but there were two groups. So this boy came running, he escaped and he came to our house. So my mom just got him in and she started nursing his wound. And she asked him, what happened? Why were you all fighting like that? Why are you fighting? There's so much chaos in the village. So that boy said that, ma'am, we are from a neighboring village and we came as tourists to see this place. And the other group is also from another village. And it so happened that we went to a restaurant and we sat there to eat. And one of us was served very hot food. The other group was served cold food. So they got so upset that we were preferred over them. And we both got into an argument and then we started fighting. And they fought to the extent that they broke each other's heads. They were students who were studying, They forgot what they were and why they were there at that place. They came to visit the place to learn something. It was a religious place. They wanted to go and pray in the temple. They forgot everything and they started breaking each other's heads. So that's how silly an argument can be. Just over some warm food they fought. Yeah. So sometimes we forget the main goal, the purpose of our lives, and we get diverted into silly arguments, and silly things. So this is my takeaway from the story. I thought what do you call? In most of the time we use this slang, time pass. We do a lot of time pass. We don't focus on the main purpose of our lives. Yeah, and we get diverted very easily. So there ends the story. Yeah, rather the stories. And whatever you feel like, please leave it in the comment section. Yeah, your responses, and I will respond to all the comments related to the story. So see you next week only on Sundays with Neelu. Till then, enjoy your week and today. Yeah, good night.